Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. The Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion is the most advanced heavy-lift cargo helicopter ever developed for the U.S. military. Officially entering service in April 2022. This milestone came 7 years after its maiden flight in 2015. As one of the largest and most expensive military helicopters ever built, the King Stallion comes with a hefty price tag. Each of the initial 18 aircraft ordered is expected to cost approximately $138 million. That figure reflects not only the aircraft's sheer scale and complexity, but also the spiraling costs associated with its extended development cycle. The King Stallion is slightly more maintenance-intensive than previous models due to its enhanced capabilities.
Hey, Brzezina, you know you don't need to take that top.
It's also important that both flight and maintenance crews spend as much time with the new aircraft as possible in order to familiarize themselves with the new systems. The primary upgrades include a new cabin layout and new engines. The K model also features a new composite rotor blade system and digital combat displays, ensuring pilots are prepared for any eventuality. In total, the U.S. mains hope to receive around 200 of these high-powered helicopters, many of which will likely end up deployed on amphibious assault ships and other multi-role combat vessels. This is where many of the older CH-53s are serving, as they are indispensable when it comes to moving troops and equipment from sea to land and back again. Where the King Stallion really stands out is in its heavy lifting performance. The 3 new General Electric GE38IB engines put out 7,500 horsepower each. Allowing the CH-53K to carry heavier loads and fly at higher speeds. The King Stallion can carry 30 passengers or troops, or up to 35,000 pounds inside its cargo bay. Meanwhile, its external capabilities include 2 hooks rated at 25,000 pounds each. Its max takeoff weight with an external load is 88,000 pounds, which provides commanders with a nice selection of options for moving personnel, weapons, and vehicles around the battlefield. Even heavily armored vehicles can be moved with minimal effort thanks to the King Stallion's 36,000 pounds external payload capacity. In all, the CH-53K's fuselage is 73 feet long, while the width is around 17 feet. The spacious cabin allows the helicopter to carry multiple vehicle types inside, deploying them via the rear cargo ramp upon landing. While the CH-53K represents the cutting edge in manned heavy-lift rotorcraft, the future of aerial warfare and support is also being shaped by advances in unmanned systems. Over the past 20 years, militaries around the world have invested heavily in drone technology. In 2011, Northrop Grumman introduced the top-secret X-47B, an unmanned aerial combat vehicle boasting some very impressive capabilities. Designed to be operated from an aircraft carrier, the X-47B is 38 feet long but boasts a wingspan of 62 feet. This gives the vehicle an appearance not unlike the stealth bomber or stealth fighter of the previous generation. In order to save space aboard the ship, the aircraft incorporates folded wing technology. And while it can be used to fulfill a lot of roles, it is first and foremost a combat vehicle. In fact, it boasts 2 weapons bays capable of delivering 4,500 pounds of ordnance, all without putting American pilots at risk. Capable of flying and landing entirely on its own, the X-47B operates autonomously through pre-programmed mission software and satellite guidance. It is the first drone plane to take off and land from a moving aircraft carrier successfully. Using the same arresting hook system as other aircraft, the X-47B can perform picture-perfect landings repeatedly. One of the other things that make the X-47B so versatile is its aerial refueling capabilities.
Vegas roll now.
In fact, it's the first drone to interface with a refueling tanker in mid-air successfully.
It was within limits 20027, and that was at time 55, so it's staying pretty strong. It may go over again.
Though it already boasts a range of 2,400 miles, the ability to refuel without landing means the X-47B can theoretically stay aloft for days or even weeks at a time. This is because there is no human component to be considered.
Approach condition. Copy that, quick, passing 6.
As the Navy and Army continue to embrace the potential of unmanned aircraft, pilots may soon find themselves spending much more time out of harm's way. While there has been a shift toward unmanned systems that offer similar capabilities without placing pilots at risk, the B-2 Spirit represents the pinnacle of manned stealth bomber technology. Designed by Northrop Grumman under strict secrecy in the late 1980s, the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber became an engineering marvel exclusively operated by the U.S. Air Force. With its ability to deploy both conventional and thermonuclear weapons, such as 88 Mk-82 JDAM GPS-guided bombs or 16 B-83 nuclear bombs, the aircraft is a key component of the nation's long-range strike arsenal and one of the most survivable aircraft in the world. Its initial development in the 1970s caused a lot of controversy and opposition in the U.S. Congress due to immense operating costs. mounting up to $737 million per aircraft, and a total program cost reaching $2.13 billion per unit. In 1980, however, the government officially announced the launch of the Stealth Aircraft Program, which would enable the country to build manned and unmanned aircraft that cannot be successfully intercepted with existing air defense systems. Its low observability traits give it the exceptional ability to get past an adversary's most advanced defenses. The B-2's embedded engines, special coatings, and distinctive flying wing design all contribute to its low observability and advanced stealth capabilities. Before a B-2 can take to the skies, the ground crew is tasked with refueling the plane at a constant flow rate from a given distance. The ground crew supervises the refueling operation and, once complete, detaches the fuel hose from the aircraft, taking away the refueling equipment from the apron using a towing vehicle. The 4 GE F-118 non-afterburning turbojets provide the B-2 Spirit with its 19,000 pounds of thrust and enable the 170-ton aircraft to successfully take off. The maintenance process of the B-2 is also an integral part of its successful operation in the skies. This involves checking the aircraft's weapons bays, replenishing the hydraulic fluid in the wheel well, and conducting all other pre-flight inspections. Additionally, the maintenance team physically inspects the engine intake. The only way to reach the top of the airplane is by using a ladder due to the height of the aircraft. To safeguard the B-2's surface, the climbing team's shoes are covered in protective material. Besides proper and timely maintenance, the U.S. Air Force works towards implementing effective operational procedures to increase the capabilities of this war-fighting aircraft. Hot pit refueling is one such technique that allows refueling an airplane without turning off the engines. For running the process smoothly during this operation, a fueling truck is set up close to the parked plane. The supervisor attaches the truck's hose to the hydrant. The refueling crew then takes hold of the other fuel hose and attaches it to the refueling port to make sure the procedure is carried out safely. This technique allowed a considerable reduction in the amount of man-hours required for the operational task. In cases when this procedure is not feasible, aerial refueling, also known as air-to-air refueling, is of optimum utilization. This mid-flight refueling technique involves transferring fuel between two airplanes. The tanker and receiving aircraft begin by inching closer to one another while still maintaining a gap of approximately 100 feet. A probe on the receiver is plugged into by the refueling tanker using the boom-type probe. The pilot of the receiver must open the refueling port, which in the case of a B-2 aircraft is a rotative Type 1, for the tanker operator to connect the boom into the port of the aircraft. The evolution of U.S. military aviation has been shaped by a relentless pursuit of technological superiority. From the unparalleled heavy lift capabilities of the CH-53K King Stallion to the groundbreaking autonomy of the X-47B and the unmatched stealth and strategic power of the B-2 Spirit, each aircraft represents a leap forward in operational effectiveness. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.